Hey, what's up guys? Today's Dawn Patrol episode 2. But first, Dawn Patrol. So today I'm going to talk about some surf terms. This is episode 2. If you haven't watched episode 1 yet, go watch it. It's linked below. Let's start today's. Okay, so a wipeout or wiping out from a wave means when a surfer falls off his board while surfing a wave. This can happen for a number of reasons, from taking off from the wrong point, not having enough wax, or the surfer just losing balance. Okay, so you probably know what wax is, right? Wax is the sticky substance we put on our boards for grip. When wax gets wet, it's super grippy. You can buy wax at like any surf shop, but there's like different brands and like different formulas for different water temperatures and stuff. Like if you would use cold water wax in warm water, then it won't work. You'll just slip off. You'll slip right off the board. And if you're going from warm water to cold water, you can put cold water wax on top of warm water wax, but you can't put warm water wax on top of cold water if you're going from cold water to warm water. To remove the wax, you'll need a comb. On one side of the comb is a sharp edge. You will leave the board in the sun until it gets warm. You'll use the sharp edge to scrape off the wax. On the other side of the comb, it looks like a normal comb, but you don't use it for a comb. You use it to scratch open the wax to make it more grippy. Groundswell is waves generated deep in the ocean. This means they are surfable waves, not like local waves that are choppy and, you know. If you don't know about Takealot, then you're probably not from South Africa. It's like an online retailer where you can like order stuff online, get it delivered or picked up. I normally pick it up. This is the JBL E65 BT NC. What a name! Okay, so we're not here to watch an unboxing of my new headphones, so let's get back to the video. Okay, so in surfing, a cook is not someone cooking food, it's someone who's learning how to surf. It's normally referred to as someone who doesn't know what they're doing or pretending that they know what they're doing, but they're not. You should check out some funny cook videos on YouTube after watching this video. And stoked is used to describe when someone is happy or excited or being extremely excited. It's like super pumped, like I'm about my headphones. I just rad or radical is used to say something's cool or awesome or a cool wave, or like these earphones are rad, man. Now for some surf maneuvers, the first thing you do when you take off from a wave is a pop-up. A pop-up is like an explosive push-up that you do to get to your feet on your surfboard. This is very important because if your timing is out, you won't catch that wave. Okay, so a bottom turn. This is when you drop in, first turn that you do at the bottom of the wave. This is the most important turn of the wave because it sets the tone for the entire ride. This is where you will control your initial speed from takeoff. There's two major surf maneuvers that we usually do: carve or carving, and a cutback. Carving is when you do a sharp turn on the face of a wave, used to control your speed. A cutback is when you sharply turn on the shoulder of the wave or on its flats to get back to the surf line. Okay, so duck diving. Duck diving is done when paddling in. Duck diving is done to get through breaking waves by ducking underneath the wave. This is done by using your body weight to drive the board down, and as the wave comes over you, you use your back foot to kick the tail down so that the wave goes over you. This is a very important thing because if you're paddling in, you use a lot of energy, you waste a lot of energy on fighting the waves. You want to save the most energy possible paddling in, and by ducking correctly you can save a lot of energy. Okay, when you drop in a wave, that's the first part of actually riding the wave. That just after you do the pop-up, you drop in and you go down the face of a wave. One very important thing, you should never drop in on other surfers. Surfer who is closest to the breaking point or the takeoff zone, or has the best possible chance of getting the wave, he has right of way. Only paddle for the wave if you are 100% certain that he's not getting that wave. Okay, that's it for this week. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I post videos every week, so see you next week. Oh yeah, if you want to see a review of my new headphones, comment below. Okay, bye.